Hey folks, Skylar Robertson here. It's been a while since I posted any new videos. I intend to rectify that here shortly. But almost 3 years ago, I wrote an article that came out in this episode, or issue of Concealed Carry magazine, and the article was called Against the Mob. Now, in this article, I talk about a lot of the legal issues with self-defense against multiple opponents. And over the summer, I've gotten more feedback. That article's online in a couple of different places. And it's really, people are taking notice. I mean, look at the violence that's been going on over the summer. But the reason I bring this up is, as a lot of you know, my full-time job is as a security contractor. As a side gig, besides writing articles and teaching firearms, I also work as an expert witness for attorneys. And what that means is I work in the realm of self-defense and use of force. And I explain to juries in words they can understand what happened, why someone was justified. Now, one thing I do that a lot of other expert witnesses don't is, if I think the attorney's client is guilty as charged, I won't take the case. I don't plan on having someone use me, a guilty person use me to go free. But the reason I brought up this article is I recently had a case that, dog wants to go out. Recently had a case where somebody was they found themselves in the middle of a political demonstration, and they had to use force, the threat of force, to stop themselves from being the further victim of a crime. And they got arrested for it. What I found out after I got brought on, I worked with the investigator for the attorney, and we were able to find additional video footage of the incident that showed the defendant was set up. The complaining witnesses against him set up the event, and they lied to the police. It's clear as day that what the video shows is 180 degrees from what they said happened. But the reason, and it really pisses me off, what happened to this guy. I mean, he had his life turned upside down. His family is having to pay thousands and thousands of dollars to clear his name. Now, he works in a profession. If he gets a conviction, his job's done. And these people set him up. And if you watch, they posted a video of the event on YouTube. I'm not going to link to it here, but they were laughing as they're filming this. And it's clear to me that they set this situation up. If you see the other video that's out there that they didn't expect anyone to find, they didn't think anybody was recording. They set this situation up. They wanted to make this guy look like an idiot, and I think they were setting him up so that they could shoot him. I really do. But the reason I'm bringing this up is I'm going to be doing a companion article to the first one I did, getting more into what happens after an arrest. What happens... I'll let you out in a minute. Yeah, kids. But this guy also made some mistakes that hurt him legally, that led the police to go, well, not really 100% sure what happened, but yeah, we'll arrest him anyway. So I want to bring that up and hopefully help people out to avoid getting into a situation where they have to hire an attorney. And if you do, this guy was really smart. One, when the cops started talking to him, he invoked his right to an attorney and stopped talking. That helped him, and he also got an attorney that knows how to defend someone that's innocent. And there's a huge difference between defending a criminal who got caught doing something he did and defending someone that's completely innocent. And because the strategy is different for how you handle those cases. And I'm going to be bringing up how to look for an attorney that's going to defend you. Because I've seen some people, I had one attorney talk to me in a case that the client was 100% not guilty, and the district attorney's case was fatally flawed. And I'm going, take this to trial immediately. Don't wait, because we can kill this. I mean, he'll walk out of jail in one day. This attorney was a crusader who wanted to be a hero, and because he wanted to show that the law was unjust, and his client took a plea deal for 36 years when he should have walked out the door. So, yeah, getting the right attorney is definitely something that'll help you out. So I'm going to be focusing on that and how to avoid legal mistakes. Anyway, I'm going to post a link to the original article. And if you like it, if you like some of the other work I do, you want to subscribe to Concealed Carry and to be a member of USCCA, the U.S. Concealed Carry Association, which I highly recommend you do, whether you carry a firearm at home or concealed or anything for self-defense, because with the legal protection you get, it will save you if you ever have to use it. It costs like 2 cups of coffee a month. That's the price, in relative terms. But so for the price of a couple of lattes, you get really good insurance and really good coverage. Anyway, so if you want to join, follow the link below, because yes, I do get a couple of pennies from it, and that helps me buy more ammo. And hey, ammo's expensive these days, so I need all the help I can get. Anyway, stay safe out there and have a good day.